Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful flower while we learn Spanish. So, we make a circle. Circle in Spanish is CÍRCULO. Now let's draw the petals. This is the stem, which in Spanish is tallo. These are the leaves. Leaf in Spanish is hoja. We draw their adorable eyes. Eyes in Spanish is ojos. Do you know how to say flower in Spanish? FLOR. Very good. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say petal in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Let's go with orange. That is said, naranja. Let's go with the yellow color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is verde. Now we use light blue. That is said, azul claro. Let's go with the violet color. That is said, violeta. We use pink. That in Spanish is said, rosa. Let's see if you know the answer. Petal in Spanish is pétalo. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.